everybody, welcome to activity 5 of 22 days of Earth Day. Today we're going to make our very own hand sanitizer. So if you're a young one, you need to have an adult supervision. So first thing you're going to need is rubbing alcohol, and the reason why I say you need adult supervision is because we have to be careful using rubbing alcohol because of the fumes. Okay, so you're going to measure out 3 ounces of rubbing alcohol in a container, in a measuring cup, just like you were baking. And then you're going to add 1 ounce of aloe vera gel. Rubbing alcohol is what kills the germs, but it can dry your hands. Aloe can help moisten your hands. So you're going to mix the two together carefully and scientifically, and mixing the two together with a spoon until the aloe is mixed in with the liquid. And then you have a spray bottle. You can pour this in, and as you see, it comes out. I can put it on my hands. I feel the aloe that really does soften the hands, and I can smell the alcohol, which definitely is a disinfectant. So this is a real quick way to make your own hand sanitizer. But again, make sure if you're young and you want to make your own, to have a grown-up help you with this. See you next time.